What's up guys, welcome to a new video, and this is on how to change your ringtone on your iPhone or iPad. So let's just jump into it. Okay, so you'll want to open your settings and then go down to sound and haptics. And so you'll see that there's your volume slider for your alerts, and you can toggle the change with buttons, so you can change the volume of your ringtone on your home screen. But you'll want to go down or just stay at ringtone, then you can choose all these different ringtones. There's a bunch. A bunch of cool ones. There's the regular one. If you have any downloaded from iCloud, you can tap them and it'll play them and it'll change them to ringtone, which is pretty cool. Well, apparently the outro didn't record, so I'm left here editing without an outro. So, peace.